Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. In my last video, we have seen how we can install LibreNMS on the Ubuntu 22.04. Today we are going to add a Ubuntu based OS device into our LibreNMS. We have to run some simple commands to add our device into the LibreNMS for the monitoring. So let's move towards the configuration. You can see on the default dashboard there is no device registered yet. We are going to add a new device. We have to go to the add device menu in the server, and these are the commands you have to run on the device you want to register. So I am going to copy these command and run on my device which I want to register. I have opened up the Ubuntu server using the CMD terminal, and I will run these command to register our device. Okay, as you can see, the required package is install the SNMP, which is Simple Network Management Protocol, that will prepare our device to report or integrate with the LibreNMS for the CPU memory and the required data we need for our device. After that, we have to edit this configuration file. In this configuration file, we have to add this script for the community string that will authenticate or integrate our LibreNMS server to the device. Let's say I am going to add the community string as a LibreNMS. After that, we are going to restart the service, and then we are going to enable the service. Now we are going to add our device in the LibreNMS server. The device has been added successfully. What we have to do, we have to add the host name or the IP of the device. The SNMP will be on, the SNMP version will be v2c, the UDP will be default. If you have allow integration on the specific port, you will have to add the port here. I'm not going to add the port here because I have disabled the firewall on my LibreNMS server and the device for the testing scenario, and the community we have added in the configuration file. Now click on the devices button and click on the all devices button. The device has been added successfully but not pulled because we have just added the device. Wait for a while to get the logs. Okay, our device has been registered successfully to the LibreNMS. Sorry, I forgot to mention some configuration. We have to add the email address here for the sys contact. Here an example template was available initially. We have to replace this, and the community string will be this, and the device has been registered successfully. You can visualize the detail of this device. You can see the graphs, health, port status, and many more. Hope you guys understood all the installation and configuration scenario very well. Hope you guys understood this addition of device to the LibreNMS server and configuration very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.